This machine is very slow today.
Are you okay, Arthur?
Yes, I am just a little nervous.
Okay, the card is in. Okay, now we wait. Oh no, the machine is broken.
Wait, broken? Are you sure? This fresh food makes me happy.
Makes you happy? Me too, Clara.
Do not worry. We are safe.
Give me the card back, please.
Look at this blank paper.
This ice cream is so good! Leo, look at the red light! Dad, is the card a secret now?
Yes, it is stuck inside.
We are stuck without any money.
Stuck? We will find a way.
Please hurry up. I need money.
I do not know the English words.
Take a deep breath. We are brave. Look, Arthur. I see something here.
What do you see?
It is a phone number for help. I will call them right now.
Thank you. You are very brave.
Brave? It is just a phone call. 479999. Almost done.
It is ringing now.
Ringing? That is good news.
Hello. Welcome to the bank.
I need help, please. The machine kept my card.
Kept your card? I understand.
Arthur.
My husband's name is Arthur. We just wait. The music is peaceful.
Peaceful music is nice.
The rain is a beautiful mystery. Uh-oh, ice cream fell. Let me wipe it.
Oh, the storm is strong. Strong storm? We stay inside.
Manager. Please help us. We are at ATM number 5. They will send a guard.
A guard? That is great.
We wait here. Help is coming.
Help is coming. Thank you.
Hello, kids. Are you okay? Okay?
Yes, we are waiting.
Hello. I am here to help.
To help? Thank you so much.
The machine stopped working.
Stopped working? Yes, it kept my card.
This happens sometimes. Do not worry.
Do not worry. We are glad.
Manager, please come to ATM 5.
Hello, everyone. I have the keys. Calm down, please. Let us open this box.
Open this box? Like a treasure?
Please look inside. Wow, it is very complex inside.
Complex inside? It is a secret cave.
Let me find your card.
Are you finding a treasure?
A treasure? Yes, a plastic one. I feel something here.
Something here? Is it safe?
Here is the card. I am very happy. I need to check your name.
Check my name? Of course.
Here is my blue passport.
Blue passport? Thank you very much.
You are Arthur Miller.
Arthur Miller? Yes, that is me.
The loud noise is gone.
Noise is gone? It is so quiet.
Keep it safe, Mr. Arthur.
Keep it safe? I will. Thanks.
The card is safe now.
Safe now? Let us go eat.
Please, step outside carefully.
Step outside? Yes, thank you.
Is the machine fixed now?
Fixed now? Yes, it is working. The machines are working perfectly.
Working perfectly? That is wonderful news.
Dad, can we eat burgers?
Eat burgers?
Yes, we can go. Goodbye, Magic Money Box. Magic box? It was a secret.
That was a tiny adventure.
Tiny adventure? Yes, we were brave.
The card is definitely here.
Definitely here? Good job, Dad.
This place looks very cozy.
Very cozy? It smells delicious, too.
Welcome. Table for 4 people? 4 people?
Yes, please. Thank you.
This wooden chair is very comfortable.
Comfortable? Yes, it is very nice.
I want this giant cheeseburger.
Are you ready to order food? Order food? Yes, 4 burgers, please.
Now we can finally rest here.
Rest here? Yes, we can rest.
Do you remember the broken machine? Broken machine?
Yes, the red screen.
I was a little nervous too.
Nervous too? But you called them.
The screen said out of service. Out of service? It means broken.
The machine kept my plastic card.
Kept your card? That was bad. The night sky is very beautiful. Finding the phone number was important.
Phone number?
It saved us today.
We used simple words for help.
Simple words? Not angry words, right? The guard came with a radio.
A radio?
He called the manager.
Here are your hot burgers.
Hot burgers? They smell very delicious.
This golden fry is very yummy.
Very yummy? Let me taste one.
We are a very brave team.
Brave team? Yes, we work together.
Oh no, the lettuce fell down. Fell down? Use your paper napkin.
I feel very safe right now.
Safe right now?
The problem finished.
The sweet lemonade is very cold.
Very cold? Drink it slowly, Mia.
Always stay calm and ask clearly.
Ask clearly? That is good advice.
I see a red tomato window.
We must enjoy this quiet moment.
Quiet moment?
Yes, it is a treasure.
My hands were very cold before.
Cold before, but you are warm now.
Can we practice the bank words? That is a great idea.
First, the machine took my card.
Took your card. That was a surprise.
Then, I found the secret number. It was on the sticker.
She said, "I need help, please."
Help, please? Yes, simple words work best.
The manager opened the dark cave. He used his silver key.
The hot coffee smells very nice.
The white paper had no words. It was an error.
Machines make small mistakes sometimes.
Small mistakes? We just call for help.
You were very brave today, Clara.
Very brave. We were brave together, Arthur.
I am very full and sleepy. It is time for bed.
Excuse me, the bill, please. The bill, please? Yes, I will bring it.
Here is your bill, sir.
Thank you. The food was great.
My plastic treasure is safe here.
Safe here? Now you can pay them.
Please take the card for payment. For payment? For payment? Yes, just one moment.
Put your hood up, little Leo.
Hood up? Okay, I am ready.
This was a very good day.
A good day? Yes, an exciting adventure.
Here is your card, sir. My card? Thank you very much.
The service was wonderful today.
Wonderful service. Let us go home.
The bell is ringing loudly.
Ringing loudly? Goodbye, warm restaurant.
The fresh air is very nice. Very nice.
Yes, let us walk. Listen to our quiet footsteps. Quiet footsteps? They sound very peaceful.
Look, the ATM is green.
Green light?
It is working perfectly. Dad, my legs are tired.
Legs tired? I will carry you.
He is sleeping now peacefully.
Sleeping peacefully? Good night, little Leo.
The stars are shining brightly. I am a star.
Sometimes modern technology stops working.
Stops working?
That is very true.
When machines break, we feel stuck.
Feel stuck? Yes, it is scary.
Getting angry does not solve problems. Solve problems? We must stay calm.
Use simple English to ask clearly.
Ask clearly? Like saying, help, please.
Look closely for hidden contact numbers.
Contact numbers? They are very important.
People at the bank will help.
Will help? Yes, they are kind.
Be brave and proud to speak.
Proud to speak?
I will practice. We are almost at our hotel.
At our hotel? Yes, let us sleep. I am breathing the fresh air.
Fresh air? It is very clean.
Always remember to ask for help. Ask for help. We will remember.
Good night to the beautiful city.
Beautiful city. Good night to everyone. The hotel lobby is very quiet.
Very quiet?
Yes, I like it.
We are back to our room.
To your room? Have a peaceful sleep.
The elevator is coming down now.
Coming down? It is very fast.
Leo is sleeping very deeply tonight.
Sleeping deeply? He had a big day.
You and Mom were very brave.
Very brave? Thank you, sweet Mia.
Come back to our room. We are almost there.
Mm-hmm.
The green light means it is open.
It is open? Let us go inside.
Good night, my brave little boy. And you are an explorer.
The bed is very soft. Sleep very peacefully.
The beautiful city is very quiet.
Very quiet? We are perfectly safe.